Here is another eBay package. I'm gonna unbox the items that are inside right now. I'm gonna flip it upside down. Be careful. There are fragile things in there. That I forgot the fragile label, and they didn't put the shipping label on right. They use 4 tape pieces. I guess you probably know how to package things. Hopefully everything comes in good condition. If not, you can always ask for a refund. Okay, I have the tape off. It's boxing. Looks like everything came in good condition. So let's take a close look at the bulbs. I'm trying to open the package. I am definitely gonna get a tripod, a decent one. I just don't have the money at the moment. I'm still saving up for gaming PC parts for more than just one. But I should use the letter A or the word A. There's a zipper. There we go. No, plan on keeping this bag in it. Anyways, I'm gonna keep it. Here's a super duper nice blue Fiat electric compound fluorescent light bulb. It's a 13 watt, 120 volt light bulb. Hope it works. Looks like it's been used. Maybe lightly used it. I'm gonna set aside. Go look at the other CFL. This looks like it's another barely used one. The GE. It's the logo on there. Helical 15 watt. I wonder what the color temperature is. Try to get camera focus. Probably, yeah. This is just a different type of camera. They're like macro mode in video now, so you gotta like manually adjust focusing and stuff. It's not effective. I'm just trying to figure out what the color temperature is. I'll test it a bit. It might be soft light, as that's a pretty common color temperature for off lights. This 5,000 Kelvin. Holy bulb, so focus. Sure, I can focus as well. I hope the halogen bulb works. That's actually a halogen light bulb, believe it or not. There's no markings on it. So, this bulb seems questionable. I don't know the brand, I don't know the wattage or anything. I probably would have to test out using the kilowatt meter. No, the judge, I don't think it will work or anything. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's attached. So, I guess I got 3 good working bulbs, but I only paid like a few bucks for it, so I need a really good bulb though.